Hey Facebook world, it's Chief Hovis here. It's September 21st, Friday. It's gun giveaway day! Alright, so before we give away the guns, we've always got announcements. October 13th is our next 3-gun. It'll be at 8 a.m. Gates will open at 7 for registration. That morning, we're kicking it back to normal time since the heat's kind of over with. It doesn't feel like it this week, but okay, October 13th. What we're giving away today is going to be a Savage MSR 15 Patrol. Savage MSR 15 Patrol. So those of you that don't know what that is, it's an upgraded M4 rifle. It's pretty awesome. Great giveaway. Man, we got some good guns. So let's get to it. Drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, the no look. Dig down in there deep. It is Tim Olgar.